First, my sleeping pad. Whoop! Yeah. This time it didn't hit me. Yeah. And sleeping bag. Whoop! My clothes. Thermal pants. It's my heated vest. So I'm gonna put it here. That's this. Quick tag. Just put the buckle here and make a quick tag. All you need is to put it here, loop it here, buckle up, then add some tension to the straps. So voila, finished product. What is up, everyone? We're back here and welcome to another product for review. Yes, I have a product for review from Jias. Yes, so this is the product. Perhaps you've seen my thumbnails and intro, but I would like to walk you through from the very start. And I would like to start it with unboxing. So, again, shout out Jias and thank you for sending me this product. Let's check out what's inside of this package. Yeah! So this is the product. It has this instruction here at the back of this package. Oh, and what I like about it is it has this customized Velcro patches. And aside from this, comes with this awesome sticker. There you go. And what else that comes from the package? Again, this is the motorcycle travel bag from Jias. And it has 3 options for the sizes. This is the 30 liters. It has the 50 liters and the 70 liters. So I chose this 30 liters because it's perfect for what I need. And the materials that they use is actually waterproof. It feels like high quality. Also, there, where can I put this? Here. Thank you so much, Jias. I like it. This is awesome. Again, the Velcro patches is customizable, and there are 3 sizes to choose from for this travel bag. And not only that, there's a lot of colors to choose from. So this travel bag comes with this 1, 2, 3, and 4 straps and 2 connections and 1 shoulder straps if you want to carry the bag. I like the versatility of this bag. It's not only for motorcycle riding but also for daily casual use. It has this pouch inside of this bag. There's another pouch here where the good news is you can see it. You can see what you put inside of this pouch. Like for example, I'm going to put this strap. That. See? So, whatever you want to put here that it's easy to see and it's easy for you to grab, just put it here. There's an exterior pouch and there is also an interior pouch with zipper. Has this handle here if you want to carry it by your hand. And the best thing about this bag is you don't need to put a cover. Once you're riding and it starts raining, this is waterproof actually. So it's like on the spot. You put your things here, you put it at the back of your motorcycle, then strap it and then just go. The good thing about this bag is the roll top closure design is super sealed and the material is a high quality PVC. So safe even though it rain hard. And yeah, installation, well, my next video will be installation, and first I'm gonna put my belongings here. So first my sleeping pad. Whoop! Yeah. This time it didn't hit me. Oh my god! Wow! And sleeping bag. Whoop!
Nice.
Sana all.
Almost hit the mirror. My clothes, thermal pants, it's my heated vest. So I'm gonna put it here. So now that most of my things that I need inside my tent is here, I have a lot of space on my panniers and it's easy for me now to bring this one bag inside my tent, unlike before that I need to grab the sleeping bag, sleeping pad, then my clothes, then I'm gonna go back again, but now it's just one bag and there you go. So again, there's a velcro that close this bag, and make sure to open this air release system. So when you're pressing or turning this or folding this bag, you need to fold this at least 4 or 5 times. So I just folded 3. I think there's still more space here where I can put my hopia. So here, adjust this quick tag to tighten up a little bit. Just put the buckle here and make a quick tag, and then the handle strap, put it like that. Strap, all you need is to put it here, loop it here, that, buckle up, then just a quick tag, and here the front. Actually, my favorite spot is here. Loop to this, and there, Just a quick tug for now. Here. Then on the other side, I'm gonna do same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna loop it here. Then put it like that. I'll do a quick tag, add some tension to the straps. So voila, finished product. It's a great travel bag to have for adventure and motor camping. And yep, I like it. Actually, I love it. The color complements the bike. So yes, I definitely recommend this product from Iron Jias. Again, thank you Iron Jias for sending me this travel bag. I hope this video helps, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and soon I'll be right back.